When a child is brought to you with cough or difficult breathing, you should examine the child to determine whether wheeze is present. The clinical signs of wheeze include the wheeze sound on expiration. Before disturbing the child, listen to the child's breathing. You will probably have to place your ear close to the child's mouth or use a stethoscope to hear the sound clearly. Listen to the sound as these children breathe out. The wheeze sound is often described as a musical sound, made as the child breathes out. Notice that wheeze is always heard as the child breathes out, but that the actual character of the wheeze sound can vary from child to child. Let's look and listen again. In addition to the wheeze sound, you may observe the following features. Look closely at the child's chest. The child may be taking longer to breathe out than breathe in. A child with wheeze may also have chest indrawing. The child may have to make an effort to breathe out. This may result in respiratory distress, with the child in obvious discomfort and experiencing difficulty in talking, drinking, or breastfeeding. In order to observe these additional signs, you must look carefully. You should not expect to see or hear all these signs in every child with wheeze. Having examined the child presenting with cough or difficult breathing, and recognized that the child has wheeze, decide upon the correct treatment for that child.